The 8th ranked product is Bosch JS470EB corded barrel grip jig saw 120 volts low vibration. 7 amp variable speed for smooth cutting up to 5-7/8 inch on wood. 3/8 inch on steel for countertops. Review score 4.7. Review count 1285 ratings. Price $173.00. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 7th ranked product is Bosch top handle jig saw 7.0 amp, 3100 SPM, 45-degree beveled cuts, variable speed control, ergonomic design, corded, JS470E. Review score 4.7. Review count 1376 ratings. Price $146.00. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 6th ranked product is Porter cable orbital jig saw 6.0 amp, corded, PCE 345. Review score 4.7. Review count 1766 ratings. Price $79.00. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 5th ranked product is SKIL 6 amp corded jig saw JS314901. Review score 4.7. Review count 3877 ratings. Price $49.00. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 4th ranked product is Black & Decker jig saw 5 amp, 3000 blade speed, 45-degree beveled cuts, 3/4 inch orbital blade, 4 curve settings, corded, BDEJS600C. Review score 4.7. Review count 11,183 ratings. Price $52.08. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 3rd ranked product is Milwaukee M18 Fuel D handle 10T metal blade jigsaw. Review score 4.8. Review count 299 ratings. Price $129.99. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 2nd ranked product is Bosch 120 volt top handle jigsaw kit JS365. Blue 6.5 amp. Review score 4.8. Review count 545 ratings. Price $139.00. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 1st ranked product is Craftsman jig saw 4 orbital settings, up to 3000 SPM, 5 amp, corded, CMEs 610. Review score 4.8. Review count 1577 ratings. Price $68.99. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info.